Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this short video we will learn how to sort data by color in Excel. Sometimes we may fill the rows or cells with different colors to make the worksheet much readable and want to sort the cells by color. In this case we can use the sort function to sort the data by color quickly. So let's start. Open your workbook. As you can see, I have the data here and I have filled each row with different color. To sort this data, first select the data range, go to data tab, click on sort and a sort dialog box will appear. Then click sort by drop down list, select the data and then click values drop down list, choose color and here select the colors you would like on top. Click on add level to add additional lines to specify the order of the remaining colors. Then click OK button. You will get the following result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.